You are welcome back to my channel. Get understanding, don't memorize. This is the continuation of the exercise series. We are considering or looking at circle theorem. So let us look at this question. So this is an objective question. See that in the diagram, line YW is a tangent to the circle at this point X. See that the length UV is equal to what UVX. So UV, what is UV? UV, this line is equal to what? Vx, this line, and angle VXW is equal to 50 degrees. Angle VXW is 50 degrees as indicated. Find the value of angle UXY. Angle UXY. So this angle we are supposed to find what? We are supposed to find this angle. Okay, fine. So you see that I say that length of UV is equal to length of VS. So UV, this means that this sign means. I hope you know that. Okay, fine. So what do you say? Let's identify the theorems quickly. So we can say that because the length of this UV is equal to what? VS, mean that triangle UVX is what? Isosceles. Triangle what? Triangle UVX is what? Isosceles. It's an isosceles triangle. Isosceles. Okay? Fine. So we know that the base angles are equal. So this angle will be equal to what? This angle. Okay, so that is one thing. This is okay. Let's look at the theorems that are present. This is a tangent, and then we have a chord, another chord. So we are having the alternate segment what theorem. What does the alternate segment theorem say? It says that the angle between a tangent and a chord, the angle between a tangent and a chord, this angle mark 50, is equal to the angle in the triangle formed by the same chord. Have you seen in the opposite or alternate segment? So this is the chord. This is the chord we are talking about, because this is the chord that meets this tangent. So this angle 50 degrees, this angle should be equal to what the angle in the triangle. This is the triangle formed by what? The chord. The triangle formed by the chord triangle what? XUV. That is the triangle formed by the chord X what? XV. So we are saying that this angle between this chord and the tangent must be equal to the angle in the triangle formed by the chord in the opposite or what? Alternate segment. So this is a segment. This side, if we shade a segment from this side to that side is also a major segment. This is minor segment. So this is the triangle formed by this. In this triangle, which of the angles is opposite to this segment? This is what? It is this angle. Have you seen? And then we also said that you know that all the three vertices of the triangle formed by the chord must touch the circumference. Otherwise, the alternate segment theorem will not hold. Therefore, from the alternate segment theorem, this angle is equal to this angle. So this is equal to what? 50 degrees. Okay? 50 degrees. And if this is 50 degrees, then since triangle UVS is an associated triangle, the base angles are equal. Because two sides are equal in an associated triangle, therefore the base angle. So it means that this side is also what? 50 degrees. Okay? So if this is 50 degrees, then from triangle what? From this triangle, from triangle what? From triangle what? UVX. What does it imply? It implies that if you add 50 plus 50 plus this angle will be equal to the angle we are supposed to find. So 50 plus what? 50 plus angle UX. No, sorry. This angle UV. UV what? UVX. Angle UVS. UVS is equal to what? 180 degrees. Okay. Yes. So this is 100. So it means that if you make this one a subject, angle what? UVS is equal to what? 180 minus what? Minus 100, which is equal to what? 80 degrees. So this angle is what? 80 degrees. And from the same alternate segment theorem, this is what? A tangent. So this is a chord, this is another chord, and then this chord meets this tangent. So the angle between this chord and the tangent equals to the angle in the triangle formed by this chord in the opposite segment, which is this angle. Therefore, it means that this angle, which is equal to this angle, is also equal to what? 80 degrees. So the correct answer is what? B. Oh, guys, I hope you are enjoying. This is very interesting and understandable. Oh, I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are enjoying. Keep the comments coming, so that I'll know that in fact you are really benefiting from these videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Hello, students. You are welcome. This is the continuation of the exercise series. Let us look at this question as well. So this question says that in the diagram, O is the center of the circle, x OZ is equal to 10 m degrees, and x WZ is equal to what? M degrees. So x OZ, this is the 10 m degrees, and then you have this one x XWZ, which is equal to what? Is m degrees. Okay, it says to calculate the value of what? M. You have to calculate the value of m. So quickly, what are the theorem that can be identified here? Okay, so over here we see two theorems. You have this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, the opposite angles must add what 180 degrees. Apart from that, we also see the angle formed by the same arc at the center is equal to 2 times the angle formed by an arc at the center is equal to 2 times the angle formed by the same arc on the circumference. For this arc x what z is forming this angle of 10m at the center. And this same arc SZ is forming this angle on the circumference. Okay, so this is 10m. Then we are saying that this 10m is equal to what? Is equal to this angle is equal to 2 times this value. Have you seen? So if this is x, then we can say that what 10 this 10m is equal to what 2s. Have you seen? So we can say that s is equal to what? S is equal to 10m over 2. Have you seen? Which is equal to what 5m. So this angle is equal to what? This one will be 5m, which is the same as x. So since this is a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles at what? 180. So what does it imply? It implies that 5m plus what? Plus m to give us 180 what? Degrees. Have you seen? This is 6m. 6m is equal to what? Sorry. 6m is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. 6m is equal to 180 degrees. So m will be equal to 180 over what? 6. 6 goes into 18 is 3, which is what? 30 degrees. Okay, so the correct answer is what? Yes, so let's just look at another method or an alternative way of finding this. Fine. So this angle, what is this angle? This angle is what? The whole of this angle must give us what? 360 degrees. So if this side is 3m, then this side, this top here is what? 360 minus what? 10m. Have you seen? If this is 10m, then this top here from this from here to here is what? 360 what? 360 minus what? 10m. Okay, and then we know that this angle here is formed by the same what? Arc. When we are standing at the top here, then this arc is forming this angle of 360 minus 10 at the center, and the same arc is forming m at the circumference. So what can we say? We can say the angle formed angle at the center, which is 360 minus what? 10m is 2 times the angle formed by the same what? The same arc on the circumference, which is 2m. Okay, so we have 360 degrees is equal to what? 10 goes there, it becomes what? 12. So 12m. So this implies that m is equal to what? 360 over 12. 12 goes to 36. 3 12 is what? 36. So you get 3. So 30 degrees. Have you seen? So we are getting the same answer. Don't memorize. Get understanding truly. In fact, so if you really understand, see guys, students, you will not have to worry yourself. You will get all the questions correct. No circuit to your question on circuit you can beat you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Hello students, you are welcome back. That is, you are still solving questions. You have to solve a lot of questions. As I told you, you have to solve more questions so that you'll be very, very strong. Math, that's what you have to do in general. So let us look at this question. Say that what in the diagram, TS, this TS is what? The tangent to the circle at what? At S. So TS is a tangent to the circle at this point, S. Say that PR, the length of PR is equal to what? RS. So this line, length of this line is equal to this line. This is not diameter, and this is not the center. This is just telling you that it's just this line, telling you that the two lines are equal in length. And what angle PQR is equal to 117 degrees. This angle is equal to 170. Calculate angle PST. What is PST? So this angle mark. This is the angle we are supposed to calculate. Fine. So how do we calculate that? So let's identify the theorem quickly that are present over here. So first of all, this is a tangent, and this is a chord. We have this chord meeting the tangent. Chord PS is meeting the tangent, and this chord is forming this triangle here in the opposite segment. So this angle must be equal to what? Must be equal to this angle. The same way, this chord is also this chord SR is meeting the tangent and then making this angle. So this angle is equal to the angle in the triangle formed by the same chord in the opposite segment, which is this. So this angle is also equal to this angle, okay? And this angle is equal to this angle. So how do we find? Question is, if you find, how do you find this? If you're able to get this angle, then it means that you need to get this angle of PST. Okay, fine. This is also a circular quadrilateral. Quadrilateral 1, 2, 3, 4. Quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. So a quadrilateral is a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle with all the four vertices touching the circumference. So this is a circular quadrilateral. Therefore, opposite angles in the circular quadrilateral are what? 180 degrees. So you can say that this angle, to mean that circular quadrilateral. So you can say that angle PQ plus angle PSR will give us 180 degrees. Okay, angle PSR will give us 180. This angle and this angle. So it means that we are looking for this angle PSR. So this implies that angle PSR is equal to 180 minus angle PQR, which is equal to 180. 180 minus 180 minus 170. Okay, what is 180 minus 170? This is equal to 63 degrees. 63 degrees. Okay, so this angle is equal to 63. Okay, so since this angle is 63, then this triangle, look at this triangle PRS is what? An associated triangle. For this length, the length PR is equal to the length SR. Therefore, this triangle is not triangle triangle PRS is what? Isosceles. Okay, isosceles. Associated triangle. Therefore, the base angles are equal. So if this is 63, then this one is also 63. So this means that this angle is 63, but that's what we are looking for. We are looking for this angle. Therefore, we are now from triangle. You see that from triangle we have to find from triangle triangle P RS. We add this 63 plus 63 plus this will give us what? Give us 180. So this implies that 63 plus 63 plus angle PST, the angle we are supposed to, not angle PST, sorry, angle PRS, angle PRS, which is equal to 180 degrees. Which is 63 plus 63 is equal to 126. So 126 plus angle PRS is equal to 180 degrees. So this implies that angle PRS is equal to 180 minus 126. What is 180 minus 126? Which is 54 degrees. Okay, which is 54 degrees. So it means that this angle is 54 degrees. So from the alternate segment theorem, this angle is equal to this angle. So which is equal to hence angle PST, which we are supposed to find is equal to 54 degrees. So the correct answer is 54 degrees. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for future videos. Thank you for watching. See you. Hope you are enjoying whatever challenge you have. Keep it in the comment section. Let them keep coming. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.